Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a CFPB complaint. First, clearly identify the financial product or service you're having an issue with, such as a mortgage or credit card. Next, gather all relevant documents like statements, emails, or contracts. Finally, familiarize yourself with the complaint process on the CFPB website to know what to expect. This preparation ensures your complaint is well supported and efficient. When crafting your complaint, be precise. Clearly describe the problem you've encountered and what resolution you are seeking from the company. It's crucial to include specific details such as dates, names of individuals you spoke with, and any relevant account numbers. Remember to attach all supporting documents like bank statements, emails, or letters to strengthen your case. A well-documented complaint is more effective. Submitting your complaint is straightforward. The easiest method is to use the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's online portal, which guides you through each step. Alternatively, you can mail your complaint or call their toll-free number for help. Once submitted, the CFPB will forward your complaint to the company involved, initiating their review process. This ensures your concerns reach the right people. After your complaint is submitted, the company generally has 15 calendar days to respond to the CFPB and to you. You'll receive updates on your complaint status, and you can track its progress online. The CFPB works to facilitate a resolution, but they do not act as your attorney. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.